A walk around on my little 32 pickup. Just finished with the pinstriping. As you can see, beautiful little traditional hot rod. Definitely not a rat rod. Also some picks in the inside. Some pinstriping done. Some traditional hot rod stuff. Bomber seats. Removable steering wheel. Little load bin. There are the seats for the front. The leather seats. Nice traditional wheels. Trim rings. Dog dish caps, tailgate, some pinstriping done around the Ford, asymmetrical. Little blue dot lights, even some pinstripe detail on the load bin, on the bead. Little walk around, windscreen that can flip out, sun visor with 7 holes for good luck, detail of the front cam, because this is a twin cam, O'Brien truckers, air filter cover, only the best.